Some materialistic or naturalistic worldviews posit that a combination of matter, energy, space, and time, often referred to as the matter-energy-space-time continuum, could be the fundamental first cause of reality. Here, I will show that this continuum cannot be the first cause. This will be explained by examining the limitations of matter, energy, and space-time from a philosophical, scientific, and theological perspective. 1. The philosophical problem: contingency and causality. Philosophically, the principle of sufficient reason asserts that everything that exists must have a reason or cause for its existence, either within itself or external to itself. This principle highlights the problem with matter, energy, and space-time being the first cause. They're contingent realities, not necessary ones. Contingency means that something depends on other factors for its existence. Matter and energy are contingent because they are subject to change, decay, and transformation according to physical laws. Space and time, as dimensions of reality, also exist in relation to the objects and events within them. Neither space, time, matter, nor energy exist independently, rather, they are interdependent components of the universe. A first cause, however, must be necessary, meaning it exists in and of itself, without reliance on anything else. Matter, energy, and space-time do not meet this criterion, as they rely on external laws and conditions to exist. This makes them inadequate as a first cause. The idea of a necessary being is required to avoid an infinite regress of causes. In this framework, the necessary being must exist beyond the constraints of the contingent universe, which includes matter, energy, space, and time. 2. Scientific evidence against matter, energy, and space-time as eternal. Modern science strongly suggests that matter, energy, and space-time are not eternal, and therefore cannot serve as the first cause. The most widely accepted cosmological model, the Big Bang Theory, demonstrates that the universe, including matter, energy, space, and time, had a beginning approximately 13.8 billion years ago. Before the Big Bang, there was no time, no space, and no matter or energy as we understand them. The singularity that marked the beginning of the universe suggests that all of these aspects of reality came into existence at a specific moment in the past. The second law of thermodynamics further supports the finitude of the universe by showing that the universe is running down toward maximum entropy, meaning it is moving toward a state of disorder and heat death. If matter, energy, and space-time were eternal, the universe would already have reached this state of maximum entropy. The fact that it has not suggests that the universe had a definite beginning and is finite. Since space, time, matter, and energy had a beginning, they must have been caused by something beyond themselves. They cannot self-generate, as self-causation is logically incoherent. Something cannot bring itself into existence. Therefore, the matter-energy-space-time continuum requires an external cause, pointing beyond itself to something greater. 3. Christian theology. God as the transcendent cause. In Christian theology, the universe and all its components, matter, energy, space, and time, are creations of God. According to the doctrine of creation ex nihilo, creation out of nothing, God brought the universe into existence from nothing. Genesis chapter 1 verse 1 affirms, "In the beginning, God created the heavens and the earth." This passage implies that God, who exists outside of space and time, is the cause of everything, including the dimensions of time and space as well as the material components of the universe. God is understood to be a necessary being, who is self-existent and not contingent upon anything else. Unlike matter, energy, and space-time, God is not subject to change, decay, or the laws of physics. God exists outside of time and space, meaning he is not bound by the limitations of the material universe. God, therefore, fits the criteria for a first cause. He is uncaused, necessary, and eternal. The Kalam cosmological argument provides a strong theological and philosophical case for God as the first cause. It states, "Everything that begins to exist has a cause. The universe, including matter, energy, space, and time, began to exist. Therefore, the universe has a cause." This argument emphasizes that the universe had a beginning, and thus must have a cause external to itself. God, being timeless and spaceless, is the only candidate for such a cause. 4. The logical impossibility of self-causation. One of the key reasons matter, energy, and space-time cannot be the first cause is the logical impossibility of self-causation. For something to be the first cause, it must bring itself into existence. However, this leads to a contradiction. In order to bring itself into existence, it must already exist. This creates a paradox, because something cannot exist and not exist at the same time. Matter, energy, and space-time cannot cause themselves to exist because they would have had to exist before they existed. This violates the law of non-contradiction, one of the foundational principles of logic. Therefore, it is logically impossible for the matter-energy space-time continuum to be the first cause. 5. The nature of causality and the need for a transcendent cause. Causality itself points beyond the matter-energy space-time continuum to a transcendent reality. In order to account for the existence of all contingent realities, including matter, energy, space, and time, there must be a cause that exists outside of these dimensions. The first cause must be independent of time, space, and matter because it is the source of these things. The matter-energy space-time continuum is bound by natural laws and the physical constants of the universe, which themselves require explanation. The fine-tuning of the universe, the precise conditions that allow life and order, also points to a cause beyond the material and temporal world. If the physical constants were even slightly different, the universe as we know it would not exist. This indicates design and purpose, which further shows that the first cause is not random or blind but intentional and intelligent. The cause of the universe must be transcendent, outside of time and space, and must possess the power to bring everything into existence. Such a cause would not be subject to the limitations of the material universe and would be self-existent, eternal, and necessary. Theism, particularly in its Christian form, identifies God as this transcendent cause. God is not bound by time, space, or matter and is capable of creating and sustaining the universe. Conclusion. The inadequacy of matter, energy, and space-time as the first cause. In conclusion, the matter-energy space-time continuum cannot be the first cause of the universe for several reasons. Philosophically, matter, energy, and space-time are contingent realities that rely on external causes and lack the ability to explain their own existence. Scientifically, the universe had a beginning, which means that matter, energy, space, and time are not eternal and must have been caused by something beyond themselves. Theologically, Christian doctrine teaches that God is the necessary, eternal cause of the universe, existing outside of time and space. Moreover, the logical impossibility of self-causation and the nature of causality itself point to the need for a transcendent cause that is not bound by the constraints of the material universe. The first cause must be timeless, spaceless, and immaterial, possessing the power to create and sustain all things. Only God, as described in Christian theology, fulfills these requirements, making him the only viable candidate for the first cause of the universe. Matter, energy, and space-time, as contingent and finite realities, point beyond themselves to the necessity of a creator. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe, and comment below if you agree or would like to add your thoughts. If you would like me to respond to your comment, please make a level 1 comment directly below the video. I will respond to all polite level 1 comments even if it takes me a while, due to other commitments.